Welcome to our YouTube video on the Upgrade 1.8 Super Strong Epoxy Adhesive. Upgrade 1.8 Super Strong Epoxy Adhesive is a powerful adhesive that can bond various materials like metal, ceramics, wood, rubber, foam, and plastics. Here are the important properties of Upgrade 1.8 Super Strong Epoxy Adhesive. It has a long open time, giving you ample time to work with the adhesive before it sets. The adhesive offers high shear and peel strength, ensuring a strong and secure bond. It is easy to apply and can be used manually with a spatula or appropriate applying tools. Upgrade 1.8 provides resistance to static and dynamic loads, making it suitable for various applications. It also has good electrical insulation properties and can withstand exposure to different chemicals. Let's now discuss how to apply Upgrade 1.8 Super Strong Epoxy Adhesive. Mix Part A, resin, and Part B, hardener, thoroughly in a ratio of 1 to 0.8 by weight. Stir each part separately before combining them to ensure a consistent mix. Apply the adhesive using suitable tools. Assemble the joint components promptly after applying the adhesive and ensure even contact for proper curing. The recommended consumption rate is 0.4 to 0.5 kilograms per square meter per coat, depending on the substrate condition and desired thickness. Wear protective gloves and eye protection when handling. Clean your skin thoroughly with soap and water after each use. That's all for our video on the Upgrade 1.8 Super Strong Epoxy Adhesive.